Okay, today we're going to take a look at how to make a uh, collage of our year in review using Google Drawing. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and open up our Google Drive. Then after we open up our Google Drive, we want to click on New. And then after we click on New, we want to wait and click on More. And the first one is Google Drawing. So once we go ahead and get our Google Drawing to open, we're going to click on our title. And then we're going to call it whatever year you did. I'm going to use 1935 collage. So a collage is just a collection of pictures that we're going to use. To review that year in pictures. So we're going to also use a little something different for this one. We're going to click on File. And then at the very bottom, we want to go to Page Setup. And for this, we want to set up our page in a custom way. So we're going to click on Custom. And we want this to look like a regular page. So we're going to say 11 by 8.5, because that's the normal size of paper. I'm not sure why Google doesn't have this set up already that way. But anyway, this is what it'll look like. 11 by 8.5. Once you apply it, it'll create it. And now it's the regular size of a sheet of paper. All right. Now what you do is you want to go ahead and add your text. You can add your images. So I'm going to insert a text box to start with, because I want to be able to put the year 1935 in here. So I want to use, you can pick all different kinds of fonts, pick the one you like, make the size a decent size. I'll say 60. And then you can always change, see what it looks like after you play around with it a little bit, and you can mix around the colors or whatever. I think I can actually go bigger than that. So I will. I'll go up. 72 looks good. And now what I also want to do is I want to make this the size of my numbers. Now, once you click on it, now you should be able to move it around. And once you get it in the center of the page and dead center, you get the crosshairs and you're good. Now you want to go ahead and insert images. So I downloaded my images when I was doing my website project. So I'm going to upload those from my computer. If you did not do that, then you want to go ahead and upload some of the things, right? So I had, for example, the best car that year was the Chevy Carryall. So I can take that image. And now the nice thing with a collage, you want your pictures to overlap. You can turn them, right? So you're going to go ahead and fill up this page with pictures. I need a minimum of 10 pictures, plus the year in the middle. Okay. Actually, the year can be anywhere. But all you do now is go ahead and find your pictures, right? I'm going to upload from my computer because that's where most of my images are. Like the best song that year was Fred Astaire, Cheek to Cheek. Again, so the nice thing is, see, I can take this and have this overlap. I can go from the corners, only go from the corners and make pictures smaller, right? And then you're just going to keep inserting your pictures all the way around, all right? So once you get all the pictures that you would like on there, for example, Elvis Presley was born that year. We had this pretty cool car. And then we can just keep inserting pictures, and I'm going to only insert one more and show you what I want for the background. So once you go ahead and insert all your pictures, we got Jesse Owens, we got Babe Ruth, we got a lot of people going on this time, right? So it's just a year in review. You can take the pictures that you used on your web page. You can move them around. You can make them smaller. Remember, if you're going to turn them, you turn them from the top right here. Let you go left or right with them. But you're allowed to, I want them to kind of blend and mix and overlap a little bit, right? And so if there's my year, I can put my year up at the top and I can slide this over. Okay. All right. So I'm going to stop right there.